Welcome to Management Made Simple. Today I want to talk about why confidence, not knowledge, is often the key to success. You see, as a business and leadership coach, I've observed that many clients seek coaching not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack confidence in implementing what they know. So whether someone is promoted to a manager, executive, CEO, each new role brings unique challenges, and these often include overcoming self-doubt, building personal confidence, navigating new team dynamics, and managing the weight of the heightened expectations. So the confidence conundrum is, if you can imagine being handed the keys to a powerful sports car. Yes, you know how to drive, but this car's speed and power are intimidating. You've never driven anything like this before. The anxiety and self-doubt can be paralyzing. Similarly, stepping into a new leadership role can be daunting. Despite having the necessary knowledge, many of my clients are experienced and knowledgeable, yet they hesitate, they second guess their decisions and fear failure. Why? Well, the issue isn't their understanding of what to do, it's their lack of confidence in taking decisive action. You see, overcoming self-doubt and building confidence is crucial for effective leadership. So here are some common challenges and strategies to tackle them. Number 1, self-doubt. New roles often come with the nagging feeling of imposter syndrome. Coaching helps individuals recognize their achievements and capabilities by reframing their mindset from I can't to I can. Number 2, personal confidence. Building confidence is about small, consistent wins. By setting achievable goals and celebrating successes, coaching helps leaders develop a robust sense of self-assurance. Number 3, new team dynamics. Understanding and navigating new team dynamics can be tricky. Coaching provides tools and strategies for effective communication, conflict resolution, and team building, ensuring that leaders can foster a cohesive and productive team environment. And number 4, managing expectations. With higher positions comes higher expectations. Coaching can assist leaders in setting realistic expectations for themselves and their teams by helping them to manage stress and avoid burnout. So don't wait until it's too late. One of the most rewarding aspects of my work is hearing clients say, I wish I'd started coaching earlier. It would have helped me immensely. This feedback underscores the value of proactive coaching. The message here is clear. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed by a new role or drowning in self-doubt. Seek coaching now and equip yourself with the confidence and skills to thrive in your current and future positions. So whether you're a new manager, an aspiring executive, or a seasoned CEO, coaching can provide the support and guidance needed to overcome challenges and lead with confidence. So don't wait until you're feeling overwhelmed and unsure. Seek coaching now and put yourself one step ahead for that next promotion. And if you want to know more about my Elevate Leadership Accelerator program, then simply DM me Elevate for more information.